To buy Ethereum using Fidelity, you first need to have a Fidelity account. If you do not already have one, you can easily sign up on their website by providing the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and financial details. Make sure to complete the verification process to ensure that your account is fully operational. Once your account is set up and verified, log in and navigate to the section dedicated to trading or investment options. Look for the cryptocurrency category, as Fidelity offers a range of digital assets, including Ethereum. If it is available, you should see Ethereum listed along with other cryptocurrencies. Before placing an order, consider checking the current market price and any fees associated with purchasing Ethereum. You can usually find this information directly on the trading platform. After reviewing the details, specify the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy. Select the type of order you want to place, such as a market or limit order, and then confirm your purchase. After the transaction is completed, keep track of your investment through your Fidelity account. You can monitor the price fluctuations and market trends for Ethereum. It is also advisable to learn about safe storage options for your cryptocurrency, such as using a secure wallet, to ensure your assets are protected.